Hello and welcome back to Maths Made Easy. Today we are going to solve a very interesting question featuring property of log and quadratic equation. But before we begin, I request all the viewers to subscribe this YouTube channel because this keeps me motivated. Thank you very much. Let's start. Log of x plus 3 to the base 3 plus log of x minus 5 to the base 3 is equal to 2. In this case, we have to find the value of x. In here, we can apply the log property, log of a to the base x plus log of b to the base x is equal to log of a times b base x. So we reach to this point. Log of x plus 3 times x minus 5 to the base 3 is equivalent to 2. This entire expression can be written as x plus 3 x minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power 2. How? There is a property of log that says log of a to the base b is equal to x can be written as a is equal to b to the power x. Let me demonstrate this for you. Log of 10 is equal to 1, as we know. How this is 1? Because the base of log here is 10. This is 1. What it means? 10 is equal to 10 to the power 1. Now, we multiply these two brackets. X square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 9 because 3 to the power 2 is 9. Let's bring this 9 on the left hand side. X square minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now this is very simple for you because it's a simple quadratic equation. If you are following this YouTube channel, you might be able to solve this. We have to find a number then that which multiplied will give me 24, and if added or subtracted should give me minus 2. So the numbers are 4 and 6. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. 6 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, we have x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24 is equal to 0. I can take x common, x minus 6. I can take 4 common, x minus 6. I can take x minus 6 common, so I have x minus 6 times x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now what? X plus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 6 is also equal to 0. So we have this. Again, the value of x we will find by shifting the value 4 to the other hand side and 6 to other hand side. So the value of x is equal to minus 4 and the value of x is equal to 6. There are two possible value of x here. If you want to check your answer, just substitute it to the quadratic equation either, or you can substitute to main question, but for that you should be knowing more values, more logarithmic concept that we will be learn shortly, how to read log table. So that is it for today. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next one.